Hello, everyone! I would like to formally invite you to join the public Valheim experience, Islands of Magic. Islands of Magic is a public Valheim server running Enigma Mode, a completely new way to play Valheim. I've been running a public Valheim server called Path of Magic for almost 2 years now, and I've learned a tremendous amount of lessons. So now I'm packaging all of those lessons into a brand new Valheim experience. To celebrate the launch of the series, I'll also be live streaming my playthrough from the very beginning. But this time, my style of streaming is going to be totally different than what I've done so far. Instead of narrating and trying to explain everything, I'm just going to focus on playing the game and let the mechanics show themselves. I'm going to be awkwardly silent, and I'm not going to make any efforts to stream on a certain schedule at a certain time of day. I'm just going to play way too much Valheim for a month straight and then burn myself out, because that's what I love to do. So if that sounds like something you'd like to be a part of, why not join us? To get started, I recommend that you try Enigma Mode out in single player. Enigma Mode completely changes Valheim. So if you're looking for something more vanilla, then this definitely is not for you. Enigma Mode also removes the death penalty and kills you constantly. So if you don't like dying, then Enigma Mode probably isn't for you. I apologize for how hectic that is, but there are simply too many thousands of changes for me to explain all of them, and ultimately people don't know me, so they don't trust me, so there's not really much point in me trying to explain all of it. Just give it a shot, see how it feels. That's the best way to find out. If you do decide to join us, then all you need to do is look in the description of this video. The Poolside is a community Discord server hosted by Splash of Pain and Captain Crumbs. They've been kind enough to give me a spot on it. Once you join the server, then all you need to do is look for Join Islands of Magic, and this is where you can get all of the information you need to join the server, which is really just the IP address because the password is JP Valheim. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Islands of Magic. Bye-bye!